5, whichever one this one is. Man, I lost count. Okay, so we're continuing up. We'll go around here and then enter up into the shops. It goes right on by the freight office. So we're going to continue on walking here up track 7 to enter into the machine shops over here, where I'll then show you off what all's going on there. Ooh, you know what? No, we're going to wait. We're going to wait for that. We'll put that in the next video. I want to show you all the brush that's been cut from the coal bin. Now that's a better idea. We have been moving so much stuff around here. Here's the car shop. There. We go along building. Now, as you can see, this is all clear. No more weeds. No more. None of it. Now, I've heard some theories, okay, don't take this seriously or anything. It's possible that they're going to be going down that way. But, just for the sake of, just because it's more scenic than going towards Mount Union. Now, outside Shirleysburg, okay, the line is in between a creek and a road. The Ogwick Creek specifically. And I think that's a very scenic part of the line, but then if you go off towards Robertsdale, it's very scenic going towards that way too. Now, as you can see, a lot more brush has been cut down. And then if you look at the coal bin, ooh, there's not too much up there now. We'll continue up the line. I'm hoping they're gonna rehabilitate the coal bin or restore it so we can reuse it again instead of using the other little coal bin we use right next to the pattern shop. But they cleared all of the brush right down at the bottom of the coal bin where the track leads up against it, and up towards the top. A lot of that is cleared as well. I'm hoping when they do restore this that they're going to rebuild the shed that used to be on top of there. Now that just kept cover so that the rain wouldn't soak the coal, okay? So that way they could get a lot more heat. But here's the big old Goliath thing. And as you can see, if you look up the line here, it's real clear, okay? Now they've been spreading poison, they've been chopping down stuff. I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing a phenomenal job with what they're doing, alright? Give them credit for that. Man. that's just coal dust too, or both. So yeah. Now, I'm only going to show you off the grade. Y'all shouldn't be going up at the coal bin there. Okay? Bad idea, no bueno. But I will show you off the grade just so I can show you just how much they've been clearing away. And as you can see, all these trees here, alright, they're all gone. We're going to go up right here. Seems a little bit clearer and a little bit easier, especially with one camera in my hand. Man, skunks been around here. Or it might be just a little bit harder than I thought it would be. Alright, so up the grade we go. And right here, that's the grade going up the coal bin. Okay, but as you can see, all this brush has been cut down. They're probably going to get this out of here pretty soon. And hopefully they'll get a track rebuilt to go up here so they can refill the coal bin. Or they'll just use the backhoe the rest of the time. But yeah, as you can see, they just kept on extending it there. Yep. So, it's been a hard day. Okay, we've been doing tons of work. Working our rear ends off. But it's a really impressive place. It really is, alright? It shows what people with heart can really do, okay? And this is a huge project. It's going to take a long while, okay? But in the end, we're hoping it'll pay off. Now, of course, donate to them, alright? I really do suggest you to do so. Because they show tremendous progress, alright? And there's no place quite like here at all. Yep. If you look up that way, it goes on for quite a little bit. And it's a little bit out of gauge right here. Need to fix that. But other than that, the line looks absolutely great. I'm very impressed with them. And from this angle, look at that. And there's where the track starts right there. See that? Yeah, that connects up with this. Anyway, just realize just how much brush they've cut around here, alright? It's absolutely amazing. And along here, they're cutting back the tree line, alright? Making sure this stuff doesn't keep on spreading. So yeah, that there, for the most part, is all I got for you in part 5. So, again, thank y'all so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all later in the next part.